Welcome to the mid-2022 update on Finca Ficus. Let's see what's growing here.
The kids.
Kids growing. Let's see if the farm's growing. Well, the bridge is a little more stable now. Pretty smooth. This is the first plot that I established and ran the animals through, pigs and ducks, and this is all regrowth. So they got their colocasia and it's growing back with vigor. Quite some growth since a year ago. Now this Psidium guava is fruiting. There they are. We are barking into them. All along the left here are humanure nests.
And sugar cane.
Yeah. Making sugar cane, which we gave a lot of sugar cane to the pigs. And we got some papaya. They don't ever seem to survive the papaya wasp. We're actually getting bananas and plantains now. Over here in the wetland are the ducks. We should stop in and say hi to the ducks. My wetland over here failed to produce colocasia, believe it or not. I did get a little sweet potato out of this section. We got some ginger and some turmeric, and then put the ducks in it.
Quack, 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 quack.
Yeah, we say quack, quack, quack. The Muscovies are called the quackless duck because they make these whistling sounds, and the males will start hissing soon. But they don't quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
Quack, quack, can I have some? Quack, 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 quack. We're the ones in the back. Quack, 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 quack.
Well, it's hard to tell because the vetiver is still overgrown, but I have a ginger bed here. Harvested some ginger, then I have galangal. This is a motion detecting light to keep the ducks safe at night. Turmeric back there, a pond, colocasia. Then a bed here that I did a round of sweet potatoes in. Wasn't too productive, it's gonna get peanuts. Pond, another raised bed, call this a chinampa. Little duck canal under here. And the peanuts have sprouted. And my little peanut sprouts. Should we see if there's any pineapple? You don't like pineapple. Samira, do you like pineapple?
Yes.
Well, it's growing up a little, huh?
Yep.
You see any pineapple?
I do.
Where?
No. Right there.
Yeah, right there. We got a real pineapple. I already ate one. See any others?
I see one more. And two more.
Uh-huh.
Mama,
We got a few.
Oh man, that's so good. Can we just take it?
I don't think it's ready yet.
No?
See if
That
it gets
one?
bigger.
Yeah, it's gonna probably get bigger. Wow.
Let's let it grow. Got some Sacha Inchi here. I harvested one last week. I've got 25 of these humanure nests now.
Okay, okay.
Ready to eat? Yeah, you can't eat that one yet. We've got to wait for it to
Treva?
dry up and then we've got to roast it. But after you eat, you can make some more compost for this thing. There's one of the humanure bathroom compost nests. Bananas and Sacha Inchi coming out of this one. Got a small rack of plantains up there. This one we have pineapple, chaya, more plantains. Then I think we've got some sprouting cucumber, squash that we put on the edge. Periodically here. Yep, there's a little, looks like a cucumber sprout. And that'll grow up along this trellis. The papaya that came out from the compost. So just from the nutrients of our family, we've been able to produce a lot of growth. The biggest limitation on actually growing food is managing disease organically, which we could talk a lot about. Well, now we have a zone 1. The house is under construction. Zone 1 veggie garden has some mint that's suffering of fungus, a little culantro, some chickweed, a little garlic vine, moringa from seed, a papaya coming up on its own, Seropus androgynous, Malabar spinach. You should have all the easy zone 1 pick during dinner prep. You can run right out of the house here. And on the house front, the house is growing fairly well. Planted these posts.
Can I step on this?
And this is, yep, and this is
Wow.
Zia's room.
This is amazing.
And
Oh
it's not
my
yet child
goodness.
safe,
Daddy, go
but it
up.
does have access to the tree.
Behind you. One step behind you.
Our house is growing.
Zia, welcome to your room.
Ow. I am so stuffed. Daddy!
You got some child-proofing to do, huh?
Yep.
The growth in the garden, working hard on the house.
Mom.
Our plan is to move by Thanksgiving.
We'll see.